Good day. Could you please introduce yourself?
I'm Melissa Peldi, 35 years old, single. I live in Cayapan, Nueva Vizcaya, and I finished my college 4 years, Bachelor of Science in Office and Administration last 2011, and I have 5 siblings, 2 brothers and 3 sisters.
Tell me about your working experience as a domestic helper.
I work as a domestic helper in 6 years here in the Philippines, from 2018 to 2023.
How many helpers in the house?
Only me, ma'am.
Did you renew your contract?
No, ma'am, because I want to apply in abroad.
What will you do in the house to start from the morning?
I do in the house every morning. First, I wake up early in the morning and fix myself and cook the food of my employer. And after that, washing the clothes and ironing and do the household worker.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because Hong Kong is the one safest country as a domestic helper, and I want to earn money to help my family.
How can you manage your homesick?
I can manage my homesick as long as I can call my family after my work.
Tell me about your experience in taking care of newly born baby.
I wake up early in the morning to prepare the bottle and sterilize the bottle of the baby and take about the baby and change their diaper.
Okay, what will you do if the baby has a fever?
I will check their temperature by using thermometer and call my employer to inform the health of the baby, ma'am.
Do you have experience of taking care of elderly?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, and I treat the elderly as my own parents, and I respect them every time I talk with them.
Can you promise not to break your 2 years contract, and how could you manage it?
Yes, ma'am, I will promise that I will not break my 2 years contract to follow the rules and regulations of my employer and do my best to my work.
Tell me, can you sing a song like nursery rhymes?
Yes, ma'am. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, S, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P.
Okay, tell me about your cooking experience. Wait lang.
Simple meals like Filipino food, like adobo, soup, bihon, and fried egg, ma'am.
Okay, tell me what time do you sleep at night and what do you do before sleeping?
I sleep at night if I finish my work, and second is double check the door if closed already for the safety, ma'am.
Okay, give me any messages for your future employer.
To my future employer, Sir, ma'am, I hope you can give me a chance as your domestic helper, and I promise to finish my contract, to follow your rules and regulations, and I am very hardworking, honest, and trustworthy, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.